What I'd like to show now is a demonstration of OneQA using a CMMS platform. Today we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to complete your workflow using TruAsset and OneQA. Here in TruAsset, we can look for our work order. Today we want to do a basic electrical safety test on a defibrillator. I'll select Perform Procedure. Through the integration built with our Open API, all we have to do is select Fluke OneQA, and we will open Fluke OneQA. Although we're using TruAsset in this demonstration with that Open API platform, we can integrate with most CMMS systems, as well as asset management tools and field service tools. So top of the screen here, we have our test activity, the start time and the tester, as well as the date. Our work order ID has been pulled over directly from the CMMS. Asset information is not located right here in OneQA, but once we push the data back, it will the test will be filed within the asset itself and the work order. We have our test device information, and we'll just do a basic electrical safety test. One of the myths in the biomed world is that electrical safety can be skipped, but what you're going to see here is that using OneQA, there's really no reason to skip it. I mean, we're going to save a lot of time. We're going to run this test in 15, 20 seconds. So we'll start off with the physical inspection. Pass, pass. We'll use our NFPA 99 electrical safety standards. Now keep in mind, we're still going to have to connect our devices, our Fluke devices, to the device under the test, so we can add diagrams and pictures into the test. Here we have our applied part set up. We only have a 3-lead ECG on this device that we're testing today, but let's just say that you had more than 5 applied parts, meaning maybe 5 ECG leads and an SpO2 sensor. We can use Fluke Biomedical's 1-to-10 adapter that will allow us to do these tests also with OneQA. So now I've connected all my cables to my device, and I'll just press play. As you can see here, we're doing about 25 measurements, testing all of the ECG leads, as well as earth leakage current and mains voltage. Now that we're done, we'll click completed. That took us roughly 30 seconds to do 20 measurements. Once we get back to TruAsset, we'll just read the instructions here. After the procedure is complete, close the pop-up. I'm going to close it. And all of our data automatically moved over right into TruAsset with all of our information. I'm going to want to close the work order. So I'm going to select Mark Complete, Confirm, and I'll close it out. That took us about 5 minutes. Preventative maintenance test, submit. And that was our test using OneQA as workflow automation with the integration of a CMMS system. If there is a need to also have a PDF attached to your CMMS system, we have one here. I'll click View. And I have my report right here.